how to change DNS server on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to teach you how to change your DNS server on iPhone in few simple steps. So let's dive right in. You have to open up the settings, and then there you'll find Wi-Fi. Tap on it, and then beside the Wi-Fi that you have connected, you'll find the eye icon. Tap on it, and then what you need to do is scroll down, and there you'll find configure DNS. So go ahead and tap on it, and then if it is set to automatic, to change it you'll have to set it to manual. Now tap on add server, and then here you'll need to add your DNS and hit save on the top right. That's it. This is how you change the DNS settings on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.